Okay, good morning. So it is 12:57 Eastern Standard Time. The Colourpop Mandarin, I said Mandarin, Mandalorian, the Colourpop, I swear I watched Star Wars, you guys. The Colourpop Mandalorian palette comes out at 1 o'clock or whatever, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, but I'm here in New York City, so it is 1 p.m. so I'm waiting. I'm not gonna point the camera towards my screen just because I'm gonna have to show important information, like my shopping information, and I obviously don't want to have to block that out, then you're not seeing anything. But I'll just show you the screen really quick because we have 2 minutes left. So on the Colourpop website, I'm already logged in. Hopefully this goes well and I can just get it. I don't even see it here yet. Usually they send an email instead, but so maybe I should log into my phone as well. I mean, I'm sure you've already seen it by now, but I'll throw it up on the screen anyway. It's the Mandalorian palette. It's Baby Yoda. Super cute. I can't believe I said Mandarin. It is super cute. I'm actually just going to log on my phone as well, just in case. I was sitting here removing some press-on nails for a really long time because I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm sorry, guys. I have 1 minute left, and I don't know if I'm going to get there in time. So I'm hoping it pops up on the website itself. Oh, add to bag. Should I buy 1 or 2? I'll buy 2 to give a gift to a friend or something, right? It's asking me to, you know when they do those, like, things to make sure you're not a bot, and you have to click, like, crossroads, find all the bird. Why are you doing so many? Find all the boats. Boat. Okay, submit. This is the way. You're currently in line to check out. Please do not refresh this page or you will lose your place in line. Mind you, it just turned 1 o'clock now, so the palette went live at 12:59, so a minute before 1 or 10 a.m. if you're on the other side. Oh, guys, I'm scared. That's what it's telling me. Maybe I should have gotten 2. There's a 2 limit palette thing. Like, well, I just said that weird. I'm sorry. I'm nervous. There's a 2 palette limit per person. I guess with the Hocus Pocus collection, which I wasn't even interested in, but I heard that people were having a really hard time getting it. So now there's a limit because people are buying a whole bunch that aren't even interested in just reselling it. I'm just going to try on my phone just in case. It might be easier this way. I'll just choose 1. Like, let me not. Nobody needs this as a gift, Janie. You're fine. Alright, it's making me do that Kappa Chappa robot thing. Alright, I'm getting the same. Okay, here we are. Alright, saved address. That's good. The I'm not a robot thingy-majiggy that is slowing this process down. And I know why they're doing it, because they're trying to get bots out of the way. Free shipping. I didn't even try doing a coupon code, but that's fine. We don't need that, guys. Oh, my card number's not saved. And then my PayPal, I don't remember my password for that. Oh man, I am not as prepared as I should have been. Okay, I put all my information in. I realized I didn't put the apartment number. But it should be fine because they always leave it on the porch anyway. Yay! Okay, we get it. We did it. So I did buy 2. I guess because I was thinking of giving it to a friend or something, because I have a lot of friends that love this makeup stuff, and then they'll hit me up and they'll be like, oh, that's so cool. I wish I had gotten it. And then they don't get a chance to get it again. I think that happened with the Sailor Moon collection, even though they did restock it months later at Ulta. So I'm probably going to give 1 away. So the total was $32. Shipping was free. Taxes was $2.84, so my total came out to $34.84. I'm a little nervous about my apartment number, but I think it should be fine. I'll just make sure I'm here the day that it gets delivered, and I'm gonna like run down there and get it. I live in a little house, so each floor has a different family, but again, like the post office people just throw the package on the porch and they ring the doorbell sometimes they don't even ring it. It's always scary because you never want your package to get stolen. But usually it's fine. I've only had like 1 package stolen, and it was in a really weird way. I bought a nail stamper, and basically the person cut it open and just left me the plastic, like Amazon, like the packing slip and then just took everything else. It was really weird. Anyway, if you made it to the end of this little quick mini vlog, thank you so much. I was so nervous, you guys. It's just the makeup palette. It's really not a big deal. I know, especially after I swore I wasn't going to buy any more Colourpop or makeup, and here I am. But Colourpop just knows what they're doing. Like, they're just very good at their marketing, and I love The Mandalorian. I'm a hardcore Star Wars fan, always have been. Star Wars and Star Trek, and I felt like I needed this palette. I hope I get use out of it, because I mean, there's some shimmery green shade, so I feel like I'll get use out of it, right? Hopefully. Anyway, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye.